it is another beautiful weekend for us, and of course, we will be checking out our trading activities for today. Okay, so that we know what to go for whenever we are trading. So we'll be checking out some setup for ourselves today. But before we go fully into it, in case you're joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. Okay, and of course, if you have any question, you can drop your question for me in the comment section, or you reach out to me via WhatsApp. I will be there to reply you. So quickly, guys, let's go straight into what we have right here. Okay, so we'll be starting with GainX 1200, and I'm on 15 minutes time frame. And of course, I'm using the 3M trend Mioka trading indicator to do my analysis right from here. So you too can also follow up with it if you are having it. So this actually started a downtrend right from here, got to this region, had the pullback. I told you that this is going to sell more, and it sold till it got to this support zone. So it's switching to an uptrend. Okay, and of course it is going up right now. I'm actually expecting it. Okay, for those that have seen this signal right from the beginning, you should have come in somewhere here while you put your stop loss right here, and you should have achieved some TPs at the moment. Okay, so right now I am expecting it to get to this particular spot. If it breaks out from here, then it's going to buy more, but if it does not, then we are most likely to see it going back into a downtrend, and it will try to break out below the support zone. So if it breaks out from here, then we expect it to get to this region, and we still expect it to get to this particular spot also. And of course, if it should break out from there, then it should get to this region. So these are some of the things that we should look out for whenever we are trading. Okay. So this is GainX 1200. I'm trying to differentiate some of these things. Okay, so that we will know the entry point, the stop loss, and of course some TPs, some highlighted TPs. Okay, so this is very, very important. It is always important for us to know some of these things right from here. So I'm just going to highlight them quickly so that we will know what we are looking for. Okay, so this is it, guys. This is it. So we should look into it. But if we should go to H1, I want to show you something quickly on H1 just to confirm what we are right here. Can you see if it should break out from here? Definitely, it's going to sell more. Okay, and we it may likely get to this region, guys. It may likely get to this region if it sells. Okay, so that is why I said, if you are coming around here, you should be in big profit right now. And in short, some of your TPs should have been closed right now, because this is still going to sell later on, based on what we are seeing on higher time frame right now. But right now it is buying, and of course, if it gets to this region and breaks out from there, then it means that it's still going to buy more and may likely achieve this TP and probably this TP also. But if it does not break out from here, then it will go back down and see if it can break out from this support region in order for it to milk this particular market. Okay, so I decided to show you all that so that you will know what to go for whenever you are trading. Okay, so this is very, very important. So that is why I am showing you that right now. So for now, it is still buying. Let's see how far it will go. Congratulations to those that are already milking it. Okay, now let's check out GainX 999. GainX 999 has been on uptrend after getting to this support region. Even though I don't really like this movement, it is a sideways movement, and of course, all we just needed to do is for it to break out above this. Once it breaks out above this, then it's going to buy more. But if it does not, it will go back down to this region again, and I will still take this one to H1 also, just for you to see what we are expecting. Okay, so if you think that it might sell, this is going to be a very strong buy. We just need it to break out from here. Once it breaks out fully from here, then it's going to buy more. Okay, so you can see all these area for us to milk. Okay, so I expect more of a buying opportunity right from here. The only way to not buy is if it will break out below this support zone. But this is a very strong support zone. You can see it has tested it several times. It has not been able to break out from there. So we are expecting this to go into full uptrend, most especially once it breaks out from here. So this is still more of a buying opportunity. We are saying it, okay? So just make sure you follow the signal and make sure you get the best out of it. That's for GainX 999. Now let's check out GainX 1200. This is GainX 1200. I love this because it has been on downtrend right from here. Played around this support zone for a while, but later on broke out below it. It has gotten to a new support zone and it has been playing around there, even though it is switching into an uptrend right now. However, gets to the if it gets to the stop loss, I mean to this support zone and breaks out below it, it's going to sell more. But if it does not, then we expect more buying right from there. So I can say you can easily set a entry point at this point. I love using a different color for this. Sorry, this is it. Okay, your entry point at this point, while your stop loss will be somewhere here. Okay, and of course your TPs, let's highlight the TPs. I'm going to change the TPs colors so that we can get the best out of it. So for your first TP, I would prefer you have it around here. This is 15 minutes time frame. Okay, so this is your first TP. Then second TP, sorry, I'm going to change this. Don't worry. After this, it will be giving me the right color. Okay, so this is the second TP, and your third TP should be somewhere here. Okay, so personally, I feel if it's pick up this signal, it will be very easy for it to achieve all these TPs. Okay, and of course, right here is an easy TP. I mean, is an easy movement for it. Okay, it should be an easy movement for it. If it breaks out above it, it will buy more. If it does not, okay, this is where we feel that it should have a pullback if it's not going to break out above it, okay, immediately. And of course, if it breaks out from here, then we should expect it to get to at least somewhere here, okay, easily, somewhere here easily. Okay, so you guys should look out for it and see how you can milk the market with it. Okay, so this is very very important. Now let's check out PainX 999. Okay, this is PainX 999, and of course this has actually started a downtrend right from the resistance zone. It was unable to break out from the resistance zone. So this is where you should have your stop loss. This is where you should have your stop loss. And of course, your entry point should be somewhere here. Okay. Sorry, I may need to adjust your stop loss a bit because the entry point is too far away from the stop loss. Okay. So this is where you should have your stop loss. So I don't like losing too much money whenever I am trading or risking too much money whenever I am trading. Okay, so I apply okay, and which is what I also expect every one of you should do. Okay, so first TP, I'm just showing you all this so that you will know how to handle your next trade or probably the trade you should go for whenever you're trading. Okay. So here, right here is going to be another TP. If you should notice, my first TP is not too far from the entry point. Okay, and it is far enough to give you a good profit. Okay, so I always do that because want to make sure that I make some profit right from the beginning. Okay, in case the market is going to misbehave, that will help to cushion what I have in my balance. Okay, so it is always important you apply wisdom whenever you are trading. And I love the feelings of making profits. Okay, so there's this kind of feelings you usually get each time your trade close in profit. So the first TP, if it's easily achieved, I think I am always happy. So by the time it gets to the second TP, then it is also cool. So I will now be hoping for the rest to be achieved. That can take like more than a day. Okay, so but at least my first or second TP will have been achieved by then, and my balance should be smiling by then. Okay, so that is it. So this is what we should look out for, and this is the setup you should be working on. Now let's check out the last asset, which is FX volume 80. FX volume 80 has been on downtrend right from the resistance zone. There are pullbacks. Some of them are even major pullbacks in between, but it's more of a downtrend than an uptrend. Okay, if you had come in at the right time, you should be in profit right now. Okay, so this is still selling. If it breaks out below this support region, then definitely it's going to sell more. But if it does not, then we are most likely to have a switch around here. Okay, so this is also very, very important. So, guys, I hope you have learned a lot. We didn't just do analysis. I also use it as an opportunity to explain to you what you need to do each time you want to trade. Okay, so that you will have a better understanding of how you can handle it from your end. Okay, so that is how you make use of the trend trading strategy to achieve your goal. So, guys, I will be stopping right there. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash. If you have any question, you can drop your question for me in the comment section, or you reach out to me via WhatsApp. I will be there to reply you. Okay, and of course, if you love this content, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. Thank you.